Apple has officially introduced its latest flagship models, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, bringing notable enhancements in display size, camera technology, and processing power. These premium devices are designed to push the boundaries of smartphone innovation, with features like a new AI integration, Apple Intelligence, which promises to enhance both performance and user experience. While the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus come with incremental upgrades, the Pro models deliver more substantial improvements, setting them apart in the lineup. Apple has packed these devices with cutting-edge technology, making them the most exciting iPhones to date. Apple has maintained its pricing strategy from last year, with the iPhone 16 Pro starting at $999 for the 128GB model, and the Pro Max version priced at $1,199 for the 256GB variant. Pre-orders are scheduled to start on Friday, September 13, with official availability in stores on September 20. The design of the iPhone 16 Pro series continues the premium look from the previous generation, featuring a titanium frame and a matte glass back that give the phone a high-end feel. The sleek design is further complemented by the dynamic island at the front, which continues from last year's model, as well as the action button, now a standard feature on the Pro models. In terms of colors, Apple offers the Pro models in a selection of titanium finishes: black, white, natural, and desert titanium. The Pro Max now features a larger 6.9-inch display, while the iPhone 16 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch screen, both slightly bigger than their predecessors. The phones are only marginally taller and wider than the iPhone 15 Pro models, maintaining their comfortable design despite the size increase. Both models are 8.25mm thick, and they weigh a bit more than the previous versions. One of the standout additions in this year's iPhone lineup is the new camera control button. Positioned on the right side, this button provides users with easy access to multiple camera functions. It allows for quick launching of the camera app, adjusting focus, snapping photos, recording videos, and even zooming or adjusting exposure settings, all without having to navigate through menus. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max come with Liquid Retina XDR OLED displays, offering ProMotion technology with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling, gaming, and daily tasks feel incredibly fluid. USB-C ports are now standard across the lineup, and the phones maintain an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making them as durable as they are sleek. In the photography department, Apple has made notable strides. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max feature a 48-megapixel wide camera as their primary sensor. However, the biggest update comes with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, offering improved performance for landscape and macro shots. Both Pro models now include a 5x telephoto lens with tetraprism technology, replacing the older 3x zoom. This means users can capture distant subjects with enhanced clarity, and for the first time, both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max have matching camera capabilities. The camera control button takes the camera experience further by allowing users to control functions like zoom, exposure, and focal length directly through simple gestures. Additionally, Apple has introduced a new two-stage focus system that will be available via software update, giving photographers more creative control over their shots. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro models are powered by the new A18 Pro chipset, a 3-in processor that offers a significant leap in performance over the A17 chip. With a hexa-core CPU, hexa-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine, this chipset ensures faster processing, smoother gaming, and more efficient handling of Apple Intelligence features. Apple Intelligence, the latest AI integration, promises to enhance various functions, including photography, app usage, and overall performance. This advanced AI system makes the iPhone 16 Pro model smarter, with better predictive text, real-time photo adjustments, and improved battery management. Pre-orders begin soon, and these iPhones are expected to dominate the market when they hit stores on September 20. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.